guys, welcome back to Ranch Life. So today I'm just starting out in the kitchen. I am doing the dishes right now. I don't know about y'all, but I like to hand wash some of my pots and pans and not have them in the dishwasher. But anyway, I'm just gonna load the dishwasher right now, wash those few pots and pans, and then clean the rest of the kitchen.
It's clear to see from up here. The world seems small. We can sit together. It's so beautiful, you and me. We meant to be in the great outdoors, forever free. Take a step back to see the truth around you. From a distance you can tell. You and me were meant to be outdoors, forever free. You and me, meant to be in the great outdoors, forever free.
I'm just using my Peony dish soap to wash the sink. I think it smells really good, and I just feel like the kitchen's not clean if my sink isn't washed. And while I was washing the sink, I was just letting the pots and pans dry a little bit before I dry them and put them away. And now I'm just using my Peony multi-surface cleaner for my countertops. It just smells so good, and it's what I always use, and I actually just ordered some more. And I'm just using some glass cleaner to clean my stainless steel appliances. Sometimes I use the stainless steel cleaner, but it just leaves stuff feeling a little greasy sometimes, so I just went ahead and wiped it down with some glass cleaner. as I was cleaning the microwave, I decided to check inside and it was filthy. So what I do to clean my microwave is I use 1 cup of water. Sometimes I put oil in it, sometimes I don't. Sometimes I squeeze lemon in it to make it fresh, but today I just used water and I put that in there for 5 minutes, and it kind of lifts the dirt or lifts the grease and everything, and then I just go in and wipe it with a towel. Bug. Also, I just changed up the island a little bit. I moved the piece that was on there to my dining room table, and I just put together this little piece here, and I'm liking it more. It seems more open, it seems cleaner, and we also have room to eat there if we want to. So I think I'm gonna leave it like this for a little while. As you can see, the water makes it just so easy to wipe out the microwave. You don't have to scrub it. I don't even think I had any chemicals or even water on this towel, and it just comes right off. Now I'm just wiping down the living room with the Wood for Good that I have, an almond scent. And I'm not really doing a deep clean in here. I'm just dusting a little bit, and then I'm gonna go ahead and do the floors. we just have these little creases in the couch seats that collect stuff. I don't even know how it happens, but it does. So I'm just gonna vacuum those out really quick too. And now I'm just in my bedroom. I'm just gonna make my bed in here and vacuum really quick, and that's gonna be about it for today, guys. Thanks for watching. I hope this relaxed you and I hope it motivated you, and I will see you on the next one. Bye, guys.